Earth from space. Imagine, right now, the ground beneath your feet is already moving. And it's moving at hundreds of meters per second. Human, your body, your phone, your car, everything around you is moving with Earth. But you don't feel any of it. Earth rotation graphic at the equator, Earth's
Atmosphere. Earth. Everything shares motion.
kilometers per hour. And yet, you feel completely still. Person walking, that's because you're not moving alone. The ground beneath you and almost everything around you is sharing the same motion. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is moving with Earth.
Because that's the problem with stopping Earth. Everything else doesn't necessarily stop with it.
It's completely normal. Physics explanation. But now, imagine something impossible. The solid...
In this diagram, we consider the ground to be stationary. It is rated at 0 meters per second. However, the atmosphere is still moving. It flows continuously around our planet.
Black screen, only 1 second. But here's the problem. Earth might stop, but does everything else stop with it? Inertia. Physics gives us a simple answer. Inertia. An object that's already moving tends to keep moving unless a force changes its motion. Inertia. Example. Think about a car suddenly slamming on its brakes. The car stops, but your body keeps moving forward. Earth diagram. Now apply that same principle to an entire planet. The ground suddenly stops rotating, but the atmosphere...
At the equator, Earth's spin reaches its maximum speed.
And that's where things get terrifying. Atmosphere. Earth isn't surrounded by empty space. It's surrounded by an...
This is about massive redistribution. Ocean momentum pushes the entire water column. And when that motion changes suddenly, coastal regions could face catastrophic flooding. But the effects wouldn't be identical everywhere. Earth's surface moves fastest at the equator. Toward the poles, rotational speed decreases. So humans wouldn't experience exactly the same effects everywhere. But surviving the initial event would only be the beginning. Because Earth's rotation does more than move the planet. It helps shape our atmosphere, oceans, and climate. And then there's something we experience every single day. And then there's something we experience every single day. Without rotation, that familiar cycle. And there's one more thing people often get wrong. Earth stopping its rotation would not automatically switch off its magnetic field.
The real outcome would depend on exactly how Earth was forced to stop.
And that's the key detail. A planet doesn't simply stop moving without something causing it. To stop Earth's rotation instantly would require an unimaginable amount of energy. So the terrifying part isn't simply that Earth could stop. Right now, you're sitting on a planet rotating through space at incredible speed. You don't feel it, you don't see it, but it never stops. Earth is always moving.